That's not going to get you anywhere. So, to give you an idea of our dialect here in Newfoundland, the shortest conversation that you're ever going to hear between two people go like this. Arn smern, narn. That is a full conversation. Now, in order to understand it though, you have to envision two fishing vessel captains crossing each other in the early morning gut. And one fishing vessel captain looks over at the other fishing vessel captain and he says, Arn smern! And the translation is, did you catch any fish this morning? And the response, narn. Any idea? No. Close. It's no, I didn't catch any fish this morning. Otherwise he would have said no or none. We speak English too. That would be pretty unfair. I'm going to try to teach you something a little bit easier, and that's a-boy. A-boy means I agree in Newfoundland. A-boy. No. It's not a boy, it's a-boy. A-boy. That's better, okay. Now, whenever you're in a situation where you're talking to a Newfoundlander, and he's talking too fast or his lingo's a little bit too thick and you don't quite understand what he's saying, just agree with him. It's so much easier. Because you're going to ask him to say it again. He's going to say it exactly the same way. You're still not going to understand. Now I want to go around the room. I want everybody to give it a shot. I'm going to say it. They're going to say it. I want to hear it one at a time. A-boy. A-boy. That's good. A-boy. No, A-boy. 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 That's better. It's like that's Southern Shore accent. A-boy. Yes. A-boy. Yes. A-boy. Yes. A-boy. Yes. A-boy. Yes. Yes. A-boy. Yes. A-boy. A-boy. No. Did you hear the difference? Yeah. It's so blatant. Okay, I'll get back to you in a second. A-boy. A-boy. Yes. A-boy. Yes. A-boy. Yes. Yes. A-boy. Yeah. If you're trying to remember next time, try to think of that electronic store, Best Buy, and just instead of saying best, go A, go A-boy. Okay? It's pronounced like buy, not boy. A-boy is kind of like a greeting, all right? So an A-boy is an agreement, so it's a big difference. Now, if you see me walking down the street, don't yell out, A-boy, A-boy, because that's really not going to make a whole lot of sense. Because basically what you're doing is you're walking down the road saying, I agree! I agree! They're going to slap a hockey helmet on you and give you a box of crayons. Now that you got that down, we're going to go along to the graduate level phrase. So when you go back home and they ask you if a Newfoundlander gets screeched in, they're going to ask you, is he a screecher? There's only one proper response for that, and that is duty is me old cock and long may or big jib draw. So is he a screecher?
I is indeed.
Everybody.
Yeah! Nova Scotia comes through. I taught you that lesson 1 minute ago. When you don't understand what someone is saying, don't torture yourself with a response. Just agree with me. In order to do that, you go A-Y. It's like I teach you a lesson, I give you an application. It's like that learning program Rosetta Stone, but applicable to Newfoundland. Anyway, so I will slow it down for you. I know I'm not talking too fast. Some people are just thinking a little bit too slow, but we just had a good shot of rum together. So up along being the rest of Canada, you might say indeed I am, but in Newfoundland, we just say indeed I is. So I need everybody to say indeed I is at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Indeed I is.
Okay, it's not indeed, it's just deed. Oh, good. The wife got you on that one too. The last
She'll be
part.
correcting me the rest of the night.
So the next part of the phrase is me old cock. Cock is a shortened form of the word cockney, which comes over from Old England, meaning my good friend or my good buddy. So what you're saying is, yes, I am my good friend, but you're going to say, deed I is me old cock at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Deed I is me old cock.
Last part of the phrase is in long may or big jib draw. Because the jib is the foresail in the schooner, so as long as it's dry and wind, you're doing good. It's wish for good luck. What you're saying is, yes, I'm a good friend, wish you good luck. You're going to say, deed is me old cock, long may or big jib draw. Got it?
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Yes. Okay, I'm going to say it, and you're going to say it, and we're going to get through together, okay? Feel the beat, okay? Ready? I say it, then you say it, okay? Ready? Do a dance. Do a dance. Do a dance, do a dance, do a dance. Ready? Deed I is.
Deed I is.
Me old cock.
Me old cock.
And long may your big jib draw.
And long may your big draw.
No. One more time, ready? Do a dance. Do a dance. Deed I is.
Deed I is.
Me old cock.
Me old cock.
And long.
And long.
May your big.
May your big.
Jib draw.
Jib draw.
I now declare you all honorary Newfoundland. And I have have certificates for all of you. I'm going to pass them out. But before I do have one final rant that I would like to share with you all. These are a few important facts about Newfoundland. Try to remember one or two of them when you go home and share. Newfoundland was the first province to respond to the Titanic distress signal. It was 104 years ago, and at the time, Newfoundland was its own country, believe it or not. Now that we stand unified with Canada, we are the first province to respond. Newfoundland was the first place to discover proof of the theory of the continental drift. We're the first to host the transatlantic flight, and we're the first to have wireless communication in the entire world. Wow. We are the oldest rock in the world. This is the oldest city in North America. Water Street is the oldest street in North America, and the Royal St. John's Regatta, which happens on the first Wednesday of August every year, depending on the weather, is the oldest continuous sporting event in North America. We are considered the most generous people in all of the entire country. We're the funniest people in all of the entire country. We're the most overweight people because we eat more bologna than anywhere else. 23 pounds per person per year. Some of us more than others. A Newfoundlander invented the world's first artificial ice arena. A Newfoundlander invented the gas mask. A Newfoundlander was once a governor of Northern Rhodesia, and there was a Newfoundlander with Abraham Lincoln at Gettysburg. We're the only place in the entire world to have 4 identifiable flags. We have our own encyclopedia, our own dictionary, our own pony, our own dogs, and our own cultural publication, the good old Newfoundland Herald. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Newfoundland.
We'll rant and we'll roar
Brett, North Bay, Ontario.
until we strike the other side the zoo.
Kyle,
Kyle? I take a picture.
there we go. David from Toronto.